Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning let me start by using the home screen. So from the home screen let's tap apps icon. From the list of applications choose settings. Let me find and select language and input. It's located under personal tab right here. Choose languages. And here you've got your language, the language that you are using right now. In my case it's English from United Kingdom. If you would like to change your language, let's choose add a language button. Here you should find the full list of available languages. As you can see, I choose the following one, but let me now select Spanish. So let's select the Espanol right here, from España for example. Let me use the Espanol as my first language, so let's put the Espanol on the first position. And as you can see, the whole list of languages and also applications goes into Spanish. So now if you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's find and select the ajustes. Choose idiomas in traducción de texto, tap idiomas again and put English into the first position. So basically that's it. Everything went well. You can switch languages from your list of language, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.